Sorry students, actually this video is the continuity of the previous video which I posted. Actually when I was copying that particular images and all, I have not been done, so it only I have again done some process, and then again I have gone for second video for the same class. So sorry, please don't mistake me. So highly elastic supply. So highly elastic supply is that you're not able to understand, just to study this price. If the price is 10 rupees and supply is 100 units, and if the price is 15 rupees, the price is also increasing, but the supply also is 200 rupees, sorry, 200 units. So this is what here from P to P1. So in the chart I am explaining, from the P to P1 the price increases, and from Q to Q1 the quantity also increases, and the supply is being shown here, the curve which is intersecting that particular both P and P1. So it is that is ES is the where it is greater than 1. So highly elastic supply. And next one is less elastic supply, and if the price is 10 rupees, the supply will be 100 units, and if the price is 15 rupees, the supply will be 220 units, and here the supply is less than 1. So that is what here E underscore S is less than 1, and quantity supplied in this chart is where it will be supply will be somewhat less than what the price is being fixed, so it will be having less elasticity. Okay, and what is unitary elasticity is that where a change in one factor causes an equal or proportionate change in another factor. So that is actually real economics. So if the change in one factor, say for example, if the price of tea increasing, normally the demand for the coffee grows. This is actually the proportionate demand for one factor causes or equal or proportional change in another factor. For every product, petrol, diesel, cars, vehicle, cars, two-wheelers, everything, if the price of petrol is increasing, demand will be coming for diesel vehicles. Like that and all, it is there. And now government is concentrating more on electric vehicles. Like that unitary elastic supply. So it will be the same. Okay, if the price is 10 and also the supply will be 100 units, and 10% will be quantity supplied. So you can see this curve, no, it is intersecting from the previous slide. You can see, so where the supply curve will be coming like this here, but here if you see, it will be starting from the origin point, unitary elastic supply. Please understand that one. If you see this particular slide, where the supply curve starts from the middle, where only for few periods, and this less elastic supply, and highly elastic supply, see, in y-axis it starts from the, for intersection, and here in this particular thing, the quantity is being increased, so here it is being there. But in unitary elastic, the curve will be starting from the origin point. That is what it is equal to 1. Okay, and what are the determinants of elasticity of supplies? Depends upon the availability of material, then the length and complexity of products, then time to respond, excess capacity, inventories, and also it depends upon the number of substitutes. These are all the determinant in what factors will be determining the supply factors. So availability of material, the limited availability of raw material, sometimes it will be it will limit the amount of the product that can be produced. So mostly for all the products in one particular year, there will be some demand, and price also will be there increasing. And length, and if the product is complex to manufacture again it becomes more inelastic. So it because of the lengthy manufacturing process, it will the price the becomes more inelastic, and if the producer takes time to respond to price changes, the product is more elastic again. That is also one reason. The producer is taking more time, no, the to fix the price changes. The product becomes more elastic again. That is also one time also is main factor. And excess capacity. So if you see most of our automobile companies in Tamil Nadu, that is the car manufacturing, they're having a very good capacity to manufacture the quantity of cars can be increased. But why they are not increasing? Because the demand is less. And that is what here excess capacity they are having. A producer with unused capacity will quickly respond to price changes. That is a problem. So if you're going with excess capacity manufacturing, no, normally the demand will not be there and you should all automatically alter the price. Then depending upon inventories, can quickly increase the amount of supply it delivers to the market. Inventories, uh, according to based on inventories, the supply will be there in the market, and also the substitutes. So substitutes there are a lot: tea, coffee, petrol, diesel. Now even you can take electric things. Then you can take also some other products like cola drinks. Everything there are a number of substitutes. So it determines now how easily one person will be switching over from one product to another, and this will be determining how elastic or inelastic a good is. So that is what the main now. Previously, people will not be shifting, but now young generation people immediately they are shifting to a new product whichever is coming to the market. So you cannot predict this will be happening for 2 years, 3 years. No, no. If any new product is entering and people are interested towards it, normally they'll be switching over to it. So I think we have completed the determinants of supply, determinants of demand. With this, almost 40% of your second unit is over, students. And Wednesday class or Thursday class, we'll have a direct session. Thank you.